Unpack the APX US battery module package, and there are some parts inside. APX 5.0P B1 US battery and its accessories. Trim cover. Mounting accessories. Power and communication cables. Warranty card. The power interface of APX 5.0 B1 US battery. Link ports for multiple battery packs in parallel communication. The battery positive terminals. The battery negative terminals. The USB terminal cover plates. Unpack the APX US power module package, and there are some parts inside. APX HV US power modules, APX 55042 POUS, and its accessories. Trim cover. Power and communication cables between power module and battery module. Mounting accessories. Warranty card, quick installation manual. The terminal interface of the power module. The battery positive and negative terminals to the min XH-US inverter. The INF port to communicate with a min XH-US inverter. The BMU port to communicate with APX 5.0 and B1 US battery. Battery module positive and negative terminals. The USB terminal cover plates. Power button. DC switch. The below interfaces are reserved. The APX battery base is used for floor installation. Put the battery base on the floor where it's close to the wall. Pay attention to the orientation of the battery and do not place it in reverse. Attaching the battery to the base with screws. Then stack the second APX battery pack. Final stack the power module. For the wood frame home installation, fix the anti-tipping part with a battery base and fasten between the wooden studs. Then install the connecting pieces on both sides. Pull up on the handle and then tighten the screw. Connect the metal connectors between battery packs. Make sure all the connectors on both sides of the APX battery are well connected. Remove all the dust-proof cover attached to the battery pack. Connect the positive and negative power cable between all the battery packs and power modules. Connect the communication cable from the communication port of the power module to the linking port of the topper battery pack, and connect all of the battery packs one by one. Notice: please remember to connect the insert plug to the link out communication port and the battery positive and negative terminal of the bottom battery pack. Remove the wiring box cover. Fix the wiring conduit at the cable entry holes. Remove the power cable sheath and lead the power cable to the cream terminals. Then connect the power cables to the corresponding terminals. And connect the communication cable to the INF port of the power module. Ground cable connected between the hybrid inverter and the power module need to go through the waterproof part. Connect the ground cable between battery packs. Remember to connect the ground cable from the whole APX battery system to the earth point. Install the wiring box cover. Place the trim cover over the side of all the battery modules and power module. If the installation site has more than 4 pieces of battery modules, the customer could consider installing APX battery in 2 lines. An extra APX 5.0P B1 US parallel cable accessory and APX battery base are required, and follow the dynamic diagram to connect the APX battery system. Notice: the power cable, communication cable to the inverter and ground cable should be purchased by installer.